Credit is a loan of money given by one party to another with the understanding that the receiver will repay it over time, in installments or in a single payment, and with additional interest. There are 3 things to keep in mind to make a proper use of credit cards. First, use them only when absolutely necessary. Credit cards are normally the most expensive debt you can take on. Even in the current low-rate environment, they still charge double-digit interest rates. Second, try to pay off the debt at the end of the month. It will take you years to pay off the balance if you only make the minimum payments. In addition, interest payments at the end of the loan are very likely to exceed the principal amount you benefited from. And third, enjoy the benefits of a proper use. When managed responsibly, credit cards can help you build a credit history that allows you to access a mortgage. You can also receive rewards to finance a purchase or pay back part of your outstanding balance.